PALFINGER is the most innovative, cost-effective, and reliable solution in handling solutions for commercial uses, ships, and stationary equipment. The company offers more than 100 high-tech solutions, and the main products it handles are forklift machines. This time we show you the BM214 radio control forklift. Yes, a radio control that offers speed and flexibility in the logistics companies. This portable machine can be transported in a special box that is fitted at the base of the truck. That way you will always have a forklift wherever deliveries are made. It can lift a maximum load of 2,100 kilograms with its powerful diesel engine, and can lift the load to a height of 2.85 meters. Its controls offer you visibility and total control of cargo maneuvers. PROBST handling equipment offers solutions and handling systems for building materials. Its main objective is to solve problems concerning the health of customers and workers in the management of construction material. Place large tiles up to 30 kilograms quickly and efficiently with the suction power of PROBST handling equipment FXM30. Tile suction is carried out by a vacuum pump to adhere the surface tile for better manageability. You can rotate the tile in a vertical position safely, so you can apply the adhesive and return it back to its horizontal position for placement. The tile is placed releasing the suction by turning off the vacuum pump. The vacuum has a battery that supplies a charge for several days. So, this little friend cannot fail you in your jobs for laying tiles. Kufel is an enthusiast of extreme sports, and on this occasion of ingenious homemade machines. Kufel shows us the testing phase of his wood cutter using an electric motor. Does it work well enough to be the testing phase, right? Take a look on his channel if you like extreme sports. Kufel has a series of videos about his passion for extreme sports. I leave the link in the description. If you want to take a look at the previous tools, I leave the links to the pages and YouTube channels. You will be surprised at the range of solutions that each company has to offer you.